This is John Ford here in Yorkton. I'm going to demonstrate the Park Assist 2.0 on a 2020 Explorer Platinum. So we're going to do a perpendicular park. So here we go. I'm going to put the signal light on. I'm going to activate perpendicular button until it senses to stop. Stop. Tells you to put it in neutral. I'm going to release the brake and hold the perpendicular button. This will control your engine, gas, and braking for you, as well as the steering. Just continuously hold the button, nothing to touch. Just keep holding the button. It's going to correct itself, so be patient with it. As you can see, I'm not holding the brake or pressing the gas. Just continuously holding, be patient with it. Continue holding till it tells you to stop. Complete, finished.